So recently I've been asked, how do you get out on big water and catch the fish that you do? Well, there's a couple things. Number one, I want to be able to take this kayak, which I love. It's a Pelican. It's a Bass Creek 100. And I'm able to take this everywhere because of its versatility, but also due to the stability that I've provided it, which this video will take us through, as well as the third and another piece of it is the comfortability. So versatility, stability, comfortability, and that's what this video is going to be about. I'd like to start by defining what I mean by big water kayak fishing. I fish predominantly in Lake St. Clair. Lake St. Clair lies between Lake Erie and Lake Huron. It's nicknamed the Sixth Great Lake. This area yields some fabulous fishing, especially for smallmouth bass and muskie. As you can see here, Bassmaster in 2021 ranked Lake St. Clair as the second best fishing in the northeastern United States. However, as it says in the last sentence there, Lake St. Clair can get pretty rough. And by rough, you're seeing here freighters go through this path, as it's a thoroughfare between the Great Lakes and the ocean. So it can get pretty rough. I have the great fortune of being able to launch from a private park that is part of the city in which I live, as seen here. But just to give you a demonstration of stability, here are some of the larger types of waves that I encounter out in this fishing area. And a lot of times without these stabilizers, this could, if you don't have your hands free, maybe tip your kayaks. I'd like to provide you in this video what it takes to build your own stabilizers, and these are some of the products that I used. I made it out of PVC, and so I'd like to take some time to just give you an idea how you can do this on your own. The PVC stabilizers that I built cost under $150. The kayak itself I was able to purchase for $443 on Amazon, delivered right to my front door. So this is very doable, not hard, and I'll take you through that process. The stabilizer unit consists of two Promar PVC floats on each side. They extend 24 inches out from the kayak itself. Each of these is 6 by 14 with a 1-inch hole in it. This allows for a 3/4 inch PVC to go through it. The stabilizer unit was built so that it could be disassembled easily into 4 sections. It was also part of the plan to develop this unit so that it could be placed into the kayak fishing pole holes and done without providing any stress to the kayak itself, so they rest in there nice and easily. Also, the forethought here was to not inhibit or destroy the paddle zone of the kayak. Here's a better look at the center part of the stabilizer unit. It's made exclusively with 3/4 and 2-inch PVC. Please take note of the 2 arms that go right into the fishing pole holes on the kayak itself. I'd like to guide you through a brief demonstration of how to assemble and use this stabilizing unit. As seen here, the midsection is taken apart with a 2-inch PVC connector that's threaded. Probably the most expensive piece of PVC. It was in the $10 price range. This allows for this connection in the midsection to be stable, but also to provide the ability to place the end units into the fishing pole, as seen here, into the fishing pole holes. This, as it's seen, the idea was not to create any stress on the kayak in terms of the fishing pole holes or anything, but for it to sit and rest nicely. You'll notice that I use this connector with 1-inch straps, and this provides the stabilizer in the midsection to be connected to the kayak with some strength. And so it's just a simple 1-inch strap that gets strapped down, and these are connected using screws and some silicone to be placed on the kayak. Very easily done. The stabilizer unit arms are connected or extended out using a cotter pin, one on each side, as demonstrated here. That you can pick these up on Amazon, $13 or something for like 10. So they work real well and allow for this unit to be disassembled and carried very easily. I have not put these on and off while kayaking. Not so sure that that is something that's viable, but you never know, maybe in some more pleasant waters that is something that could be done. That is my demonstration on how I stabilized my Pelican kayak. I also want to make sure that I address the comfortability piece. This kayak is very comfortable. I have fished 3 to 4 hours at a time and have never had any issue whatsoever. The seat that came with it is very comfortable. The other thing is the versatility. And I'm able to get this kayak, the stabilizer, all of it from my car to the water very easily using the C-Tug. And the C-Tug product, it's like pulling luggage through the airport. The kayak only weighs about 50 pounds, and it's really been just an unbelievable way to access the water. If you'd like some information, schematics, designs on the stabilizer, be happy to share. Just hit subscribe and contact us at askteachers.com.